Hi students, today I am going to take a very important concept, that is the extraction of iron from hematite. Extraction of iron from hematite, that is Fe2O3. Today in this video I am going to discuss how to extract the iron from hematite. Very important concept for examination point of view. So before going to start, so let me revise. If you want to extract any element from their ores, we have four steps. Step number 1, concentration of ore. Step number 2, conversion of ores into oxides. Step number 3, reduction of oxides into crude metal. And step number 4 is refining or purification. So that same 4 steps we have to follow here. So as usual, first step is concentration of ore. So in the extraction of iron from hematite, the first step is concentration of ore. Concentration of ore. You know what is concentration of ore? Here ore is hematite ore, and the first step is concentration of ore. You know already what is meant by concentration of ore, and there are different methods for the concentration of ore. There are 3 physical methods are there for concentration of ore, and 1 chemical method is there. Physical methods are hydraulic washing method is there, magnetic separation method is there, oil flotation process is there, and 1 chemical method is there, that is leaching. So in here you have to concentrate the ore. So that is hematite ore, you have to make it concentrate here. So among the 4 methods, 3 physical methods and 1 chemical method, the hydraulic washing method is a suitable method. Therefore, by using hydraulic washing method, here the hematite ore is concentrated. So this is the step number 1. Then step number 2. So according to our general steps, step number 2 is conversion of ores into oxides is there. And in conversion of ores into oxides, we have 2 methods, that is roasting and calcination. So we have used both methods, roasting and calcination. Here you know what is roasting and what is calcination. Here the ore is roasted here, therefore the step number 2 is roasting here. Step number 2 is roasting. And step number 3. So according to general steps, the step number 3 is reduction of oxide into crude metal. In reduction of oxide into crude metal, we have different methods, that is pyrometallurgy is there, hydrometallurgy is there, electrometallurgy is there, and in pyrometallurgy smelting is also there. And we know what is pyrometallurgy, what is smelting, what is hydrometallurgy, and what is electrometallurgy also. Here in the 3rd step, in the extraction of iron from hematite, we have to use one step that is smelting. That is smelting. And you know what is smelting? I'll repeat the definition. Smelting means it's a process of heating the roasted ore or calcined ore. The process of heating the roasted ore or calcined ore to a higher temperature in order to reduce the metal oxide into crude metal by using a suitable reducing agent, and the flux is called as smelting. And here in the 3rd step, you are going to carry out smelting process. During smelting, the roasted ore is mixed with coke. And limestone. During smelting, the roasted ore and coke and limestone in the ratio, roasted ore is mixed with coke and limestone in the ratio of 8:4:1, and this mixture is called as a charge. This mixture is called as a charge. During smelting, the roasted ore is mixed with coke and limestone. Roasted ore means it is a Fe2O3 only. Fe2O3 plus coke means it is a carbon. So limestone means it is a CaCO3. So during smelting, the roasted ore is mixed with the coke and limestone in the ratio 8:4:1, and that mixture it is called as a charge, and that charge you have to introduce in the blast furnace. That charge is introduced in the blast furnace, then further steps taking place. So after introducing the blast furnace, what are the chemical reactions, how chemical reactions are taking place at different zones, and different reactions are there, so that we'll see in the next class. This is the first introduction part is there. So what is first step in the extraction of iron from hematite, what is second step, what is third step. So now onwards smelting process will take place, and that smelting process will take place in the blast furnace. And in the next video we'll take what is blast furnace and how blast furnace is constructed, and what are the chemical reactions are taking place in blast furnace, and how iron is extracted from the hematite in the next videos. I hope it is clear. Thank you.